All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Monday, December 22nd. This is my second take, as I said a word I'm not allowed to say on YouTube while filming the recap because I just noticed something. I went to go check my fucking Tradeify P&L and the accounts are fucking gone, right? Looked at my executions. Turned out I set a buy limit. So here is what I thought coming into market open. I took two trades, right? I lost 400 and then I made 600 something on Lucid. Didn't get to alpha on time. Took the same trades I took on Lucid on my Tradeify, except for the fact that I don't know how Tradeify works that well. That's what I've been trying to tell you guys. I'm trying to get used to Tradeify because Top Step is being mad greedy and taking their platform back. I could be looking to take another $8,000 payout on Lucid. Quite literally tomorrow. No, Wednesday. I need two more. No, Thursday. I think I need 3 more winning days. So we'll see how that plays out. I might trade on fucking Christmas if I have to, right? I'm kidding. Don't trade on Christmas, right? So coming into market open, I was extremely bearish. I don't think we should be pulling up right now the way we are. We respected an hourly gap, hourly order blocks. We're respecting bullish order flow, and we swept sell side, right? I still don't like longs, right? I still don't like longs at all. Why? So coming into market open, yes, we were trading at literally all the way up here. We're trading all the way up here. Structure is bullish. We have new week opening gap resting below us. I'm not longing if there is a new week opening gap below us. Asia, London, and midnight open, which is what we tapped midnight open before we bottom ticked and ran high. I told you guys, people that top tick and bottom tick use midnight open as their bias. They use it to limit order to bottom tick and top tick, so that is where we take profit, right? And if you took profit there, you would have taken profit at the current low of day. I still want price to push lower. What I saw was unfilled 15-minute here, unfilled hourly here, right? Those are my safe draws. First trade I take, I didn't even get filled here. Not the best trade, but I saw price trading up here at 9:30. I tried entering like halfway through the candle, and my original plan was like take profit here for a 1-to-1 and secure a winning day, right? I got filled all the way down here. So now I have to play this as it is. I got a fill all the way down here because price just teleported down here. So I'm like, all right, fuck it. I'm just going to hold that to the hourly gap and put my stops above the body. I have quite literally no choice, right? Minus 400 on that trade instantly, right? Then I look for a re-entry. I'm still very confident that we're pushing lower. What do? I wait for a bearish reaction to the downside here. That is it. Stops above that body. So if I lose this trade, I'm down $1,000 on, no, yes. If I lose this trade, I'm down like $1,000 on the day-ish, which is 1/3 of my buffer. I have a $3,000 buffer, right? So I go short again. You can see here. Now I have a $3,200 buffer because I made like 300 per account, right? So I re-enter short. I made around $700 on this trade. So I lost 400, then I made 700. That's why I'm up like 270 after fees, right? This was a pretty clean trade delivered in 1 minute. Now, here's my issue. The same trade I took here on Lucid that I thought I took on Tradeify, turns out I never entered the trade on Tradeify. Instead, I just set buy limits here. So I put a stop loss with no fucking executions. So I got filled for longs up here. And I didn't notice until I just started filming the trade recap like 5 minutes ago. I thought my TP got hit, set and forget. Did not fucking forget. Check that shit. The accounts are down fucking $4,500 on each account. Accounts blown. This is actually the dumbest shit I've done in my life. I'm not even fucking trolling. This is the dumbest shit I've done in my life. And this isn't the first time this happens to me with Tradeify. I've never let a limit order on Project X just because I'm so familiar with Project X. But this is the third time this happens to me on Tradeify. This happened to me with 20 Apex accounts. In September, I had 20 Apex accounts. And that wasn't even my fault though. That was TradeSyncer. TradeSyncer didn't fill my TPs and then used my limit orders to blow my fucking accounts. That was so stupid. I guess this is the first time this technically happens to me without a copy trader malfunctioning. The reason I blew my Apex accounts was because TradeSyncer is the worst thing ever. That's why I don't want to fucking use them. That's why I still manually execute after everything. But I'm going to have to rebuy Tradeify accounts Price could push lower right now. I do want price to push lower, but it looks like we might want to just push higher. Right? Our job as traders is to react to what the market gives us, not predict. But if I can secure a $8,000 payout by the end of the week, I'm looking at a $30,000, $31,000 payout month, which is honestly pretty fucking good. Pretty fucking good. I'll take $30,000, right? So potential 30K month. At our worst, we're gonna do 22,000. That's what I have right now. 23,000. That's what I have right now. So we're not complaining with that whatsoever. Good boy, push lower. This is what I want to see. Price push lower. You're in the 5-minute gap. You're about to inverse this 5-minute gap. Hopefully, you're in OTE of this range. This could be good for shorts. We could forward test this. And that's the trade you take. Like that. Stops right above that high. Probably go break even after this internal low right here. I like this trade. Does it have to play out? No. Could easily be a loss, but I do like it. Right. Now, back to the thing. I am going to keep trading Tradeify. I really do think Tradeify is a great prop firm, so obviously I'm going to keep trading them. I'm going to probably get some new accounts today to start trading throughout the week. Price action is not going to be the cleanest this week, as you've seen, but that does not mean that we are not going to trade evals. I do think it is a great opportunity for you to actually stack your funded accounts coming into the new year. Last January was my best trading month, so hopefully we could beat our own record and have another great trading month. Price is honestly moving pretty nice. 3-minute order block, hopefully we just close below it. And then you go break even at this internal low. Or even now if you wanted to, like that. I don't know what ES was doing. ES chopped the whole day. Never had a good entry. But this isn't bad. Alright, you guys let me know if this trade played out or not. I'm going to end the trade recap because I'm not going to sit here for 10 minutes seeing if this is going to play out, right? So I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Alright, have a great day. Peace out. Trade safe.